Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can rotate things in Premiere Pro. So if you haven't got a project started already, you want to create a new one, and then you want to bring your clips onto the timeline. So I have a video of a man juggling, so I'll just play it for you so you can see what it looks like. So I'm going to be rotating this video 180 degrees. So to rotate the video, all we're going to do is click on the clip in the timeline, and then once we've clicked on the clip in the timeline, we're then going to click Effects Control. And then in Effects Control, we're then going to click the Motion drop down here. And we're then going to go down to where it says Rotation, and we're going to click the drop down for that. So now we can either drag this circle and change the rotation like this, or we can enter a specific number. So I'm just going to enter 180. And there we go, that has now rotated the video 180 degrees. So if I now play it, as you can see, the video is now flipped around so it's the right way up. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.